Ready to unlock the power of seamless communication inside GoHighLevel? First, log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Settings section, usually found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Once in Settings, find and click on Phone Numbers. This is where you'll manage your connected phone services. Now, open a new tab in your browser and log into your Twilio account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Make sure you've purchased a Twilio phone number. In your Twilio dashboard, locate your account SID and auth token. These are crucial for connecting to GoHighLevel. Be sure to keep them secure. Go back to your GoHighLevel phone numbers page. Click on the Add Phone Number button. A form will appear. Select Twilio as the provider. Now, carefully copy and paste your account SID and auth token from your Twilio account into the corresponding fields in GoHighLevel. Select the Twilio phone number you want to connect from the Available Numbers drop-down. Click Save. GoHighLevel will verify the connection. Once successful, you'll see your Twilio number listed under Phone Numbers, and just like that, you're ready to begin using the powerful integration of GoHighLevel and Twilio.